Hey folks, my name is David Ross. Welcome to AI 3-Minute Master. As always, we're going to be learning a nifty teacher trick using ChatGPT or one of the other LLMs, your choice of course. First things first, in every single one of these lessons we're going to be accessing my prompt library, which is free and designed for teachers, K-12 and higher ed. The next screen you're going to see in the video is a QR code that links to the library or a URL. I want you to open that up and bookmark it because we're going to be using it today and from now on in everything we do. Well, if you haven't figured it out yet, if you've watched a couple of those videos, I am a glorified juvenile delinquent. So one of my favorite ways to teach is via games or gamification. In this one, we're going to use ChatGPT to gamify some of the tasks that we have. We'll start, as always, with our prompt library. I'm going to type in gameplay. You'll see a couple of options. One's kind of generic and probably not as helpful. I did that in my early work in AI, but the second one I've become a huge fan of. So I'm going to copy that prompt, move over to ChatGPT, and paste it in. I will read it to you because it's an easier to do a walkthrough. So I'm pretending I'm a 4th grade math teacher. You, of course, are going to substitute whatever is your teaching context, meaning whatever grade level, whatever subject area you're teaching, and whatever the topic is. So this one, because it's the bane of most kids' existence, is I chose fractions. So create a fractions game for me so that my students, 4th graders, can learn how to add them. The setting for this game is Mars. You can substitute any kind of setting you choose. Each area of the planet they visit should also have a part of the game that includes learning how to add fractions. I want the students to be given a list of actions they can take to solve the fraction addition problems. Do not give them an answer. This is a key instruction in anything that you're asking the AI to create. But coach them, you can use the word tutor them to find the answer. When they solve a problem, they should explore a new part of Mars. Give them positive feedback and always maintain a conversational tone. Let's see what we get. We've got the nifty Mars fraction adventure game. So we're starting in Red Rock Canyon, then we go to Blue Sand Dunes. I don't know if there's such a thing, but maybe there is. And you'll see that it's structured. It's really not as gamified as I'd want it to be, but to climb the yellow hills, and then you've got to do this, and there's step-by-step instructions, and there's coaching tips in the form of questions and positive feedback. Now, in my subsequent prompts, I would say create more of a narrative to go around this because there's not enough backstory in this first edition that it gave us, but it's a great start. Thanks, ChatGPT.